don't wait. Don't wait. Now that you know what it is, and like I said, guys, if you still don't understand it fully, I will post links to the videos below, guys, of everything you need to know, like what you need to sell on Amazon and how to do it, how to send it in to Amazon after you find something in the store, the step-by-step process. I post the links to those videos down below, guys. The BSR, what you need to know about BSR, how to know what type of products to pick when you're in the store, guys. All right, I'll post all those videos in the links below, and just watching those videos, after watching those videos, you know it all. I'm telling you right now, you know it all.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
Listen, what's up, family? Look, I see a lot of you guys, I see a lot of people, a lot of comments, right? I have like a lot of different types of comments, and honestly, I'm proud to say that the least amount of comments come from, you know, the ones who quit or can't do it, or, you know, have all those negative words in their vocabulary. But I seen a group of comments that say, I'm going to start. I can't wait to start, Lavar. Thank you. Your videos helped me, and I can't wait to start. I'm out here walking my dog, by the way, guys. But yeah, I seen a lot of those videos, you know, saying they can't wait to start, and that's cool and all, but it's not, to be honest. At the same time, you know, I'm glad that you're interested. I'm glad that you're ready to change your life and try to, you know, make a living for yourself other than working for someone else. That's all good. But guys, wanting to start is the wrong mentality. Don't want to start, guys. That's procrastination. I see a lot of people saying, hey, Lavar, I'm gonna start next week. Hey, Lavar, I'm gonna start next week now, or I'm gonna start in a month, or I'm gonna start tomorrow. Or now, if it's a money thing, I understand. If you're waiting for your paycheck, okay, by all means, right? But a lot of you guys are just like information gathering, right? Just how much information can I get? I want to get all my questions answered first. Guys, I'm telling you right now, that's not what I did. I heard about the opportunity with Amazon. I looked up a couple of videos, you know, and I just went in. I went all in, right? And then I bought courses later on just to understand it fully, right? But I didn't wait to have the course to start. Now I did buy the private label course before I even tried private label, but as far as retail arbitrage and even like Shopify and everything, I learned as much as I can possible free, right, on YouTube, and then I just jumped into it, guys. And it's just that simple. I didn't wait. I didn't say, oh, I'm gonna start next week. No, it was just as simple as soon as I had my money ready, I jumped in, guys. So don't wait. You mean, because that's procrastinating, guys. I'm telling you. A lot of people was like New Year's goals. I think, you know, it's funny, and I don't mean funny like I'm laughing at you or anything like that. I just think it's funny when people say things like, you know, my goal for 2019 is I want to buy a house, right? That's what they would say, and they already messed up, because where they messed up is they said the words I want. They said I want to buy a house. Well, guess what? At the end of 2019, if you didn't get your house yet and you still want it, well, you accomplished your goals, because all you did was want it. You didn't do it. You get what I'm saying? You didn't say I need to buy a house. Now, there's a difference between want and need, guys. So I see a lot of people saying, I want to start, or I'm going to start. No. Say, I need to start, and I am starting, guys. Change those words, guys. I'm telling you right now, just the mentality alone of switching those words, swapping those words around, and actually living those words will change your life, guys. It'll change your life. You will be a beast when it comes to this field, guys. You will be a monster when it comes to entrepreneurship. I'm telling you, like, don't procrastinate. I mean, it's killing a lot of you guys, man. Because here's the thing, once again, what's here today isn't promised tomorrow. So for everybody out there watching all of my videos, watching other people's videos, for everyone out there and haven't started yet, but you're still watching and gathering information, guys, it could be gone by the time you're ready to start. By the time you say, okay, I'm gonna start now, it could be gone. The opportunity can be gone, or it could be so much competition to where you don't even have no chance in the game. Right now, everybody still has a chance at this. Not even a chance, everybody can win still right now to this day. But like, guys, I'm gaining more subscribers. Everybody else is gaining more subscribers, right? And that just means more people are getting hip to the whole reselling thing and, you know, the Amazon listing thing. So the clock is ticking, guys, because the more people that get exposed to this opportunity, there's gonna be the ones who just jump on it immediately, like, what? Where has this been? I'm doing this right now. And then there's the other ones that saying, oh, I'm gonna do it. I can't. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna get involved next month, or I'm gonna start next week. And guys, you're gonna get left behind. I mean, because don't be scared to make mistakes, guys. I mean, you're gonna learn from your mistakes. I'm telling you, I learned from mine. Like I said, my account got suspended and I had to get it reinstated. If you haven't seen that video of me talking about my account getting suspended, I'll post a link to it right here, okay, guys? But yeah, my account got suspended for a mistake that I just you know, I overread, I didn't pay attention to, and you know, I got it reinstated and it was nothing, and I kept it going. But that's the thing. I mean, I could have waited and learned everything, but I made a lot of money even before that mistake. You see what I'm saying? So, guys, don't wait. Get involved. Jump into it. You know, I'm telling you. So, I mean, that's just some advice for today. You know what I mean? What up, yo?
What up?
What's going on? What's going on? What y'all doing? Throwing snowballs?
Yeah.
Watch out, Blue. Come on. Oh, man. But, yeah. Don't. Blue. Come on. Blue's tripping. Everybody looking at me crazy because of what I'm wearing. Look, guys. I got my pajamas outside. I got a yellow shirt, a yellow coat on with the striped, spandex pajamas and some colorful Adidas sneakers. Guys, I look like a freaking clown out here. I don't care what anybody thinks. I'm looking for something in my car here, guys. But, yeah. Don't procrastinate, family. I mean, that will be the death of your whole business, your goals. Like, don't wait. I'm telling you right now, guys. You have to learn from your mistakes anyway. I mean, you want to take educated risks. So, I mean, I understand if you do a little research beforehand, but do not wait. If you're doing research for more than a week, honestly, if you're doing research for more than 2 days, 2 or 3 days, then it's procrastination. It turns into procrastination at this point, guys. Because I'm telling you right now, if you really want to get involved, if you take a little bit of time out of your day for 2 days, 3 days max to learn, then after that, you should be jumping in head first, guys. I mean, unless it's a money thing, like if you need to wait for a paycheck and everything like that, then yeah, that's the only exception, guys. But yeah, don't wait. Don't wait. I see a lot of people saying that, and I just want to address that because I see a lot of you guys saying like, "Oh, Lavar, I'm gonna start. You know, your videos have helped me learn it, and I'm thankful and I'm happy that you guys are learning from me. You know, and that I can help my fam. But don't wait. Don't wait. Now that you know what it is, and like I said, guys, if you still don't understand it fully, I will post links to the videos below, guys, of everything you need to know, like what you need to sell on Amazon and how to do it, how to send it in to Amazon after you find something in the store, the step-by-step process. I post the links to those videos down below, guys. The BSR, what you need to know about BSR, how to know what type of products to pick when you're in the store, guys. All right, I'll post all those videos in the links below, and just watching those videos, after watching those videos, you know it all. I'm telling you right now, you know it all. That's all you really need to know how to do. Now after that, you guys just need to start. Now, like when it comes to now there's things that everyone's gonna run into. Like I wouldn't even be able to tell you what you're gonna run into because they may be different from what I ran into. It's just different obstacles for different people. That's just the way life is, guys. So unless I'm looking over your shoulder, I won't know what type of obstacles you run into. And don't be scared when I say obstacles. Usually they're little misfits that you can fix really, really easy. All right, guys, if you even try a little bit. So but you might not even run into any obstacles, like, to be honest. Like, so just do it. Just start, guys. Look, I'm here. I'm going to be making videos now. I need to help my family with the brainwaves. I need to help my family. I need to keep you guys motivated. I want to see everybody start making money, guys. And I like I said, I've shown it all on my YouTube channel. I've shown it all. So if you have any questions, just watch some of my older videos, guys. I'm telling you. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. I got you, family. Day in the life. I'm about to go to the store. And yeah, I need to get some stuff for my daughter, and obviously when I'm in the store, I'm gonna look for some stuff for retail arbitrage. But yeah, guys, it's peace and love as always, man. If you're not a part of the family, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to tap the bell to get notified, because I will be uploading on the regular nowadays. I will be doing that. And yeah, it's peace and love. I am out, family. Peace.